here in number 4, we're just basically looking at the punctuation. So the entire sentence reads, but by initiating and collaborating on projects such as the Apollo moon missions, the Space Shuttle program, the Hubble telescope, and unmanned planetary exploration, NASA has continually challenged its scientists and engineers to do things that were previously thought impossible. Okay, so basically start of a sentence, we're given a comma separated list, and then we're just given some more details. So how should we punctuate this? Well, as it is right now, it seems correct. We just have, the item, a comma and then the last item in the list. This is perfectly correct. Since it's a comma separated list, we want a comma before the and. So it looks good for now, or as it is, but let's look at our options. So B has a semicolon here. When do we use a semicolon? When you have a complete sentence before and after. And mandatory and unmanned planetary exploration, NASA has continued, and blah blah blah. That is not a complete sentence. So I just started reading right here where the semicolon would be. What follows would not be a complete sentence. So for that reason, we can't actually have a semicolon here. What about C? Semicolon is after the and. Well, that doesn't really solve the issue because then what you have before won't be a proper, sentence because you'll have just and on the end of it. And for that matter, what comes after, starting with unmanned planetary exploration, that also wouldn't be a complete sentence. So B and C then are out. It just wouldn't be complete sentences. What about D though? What if we put the comma after the and? Well, simply put, you just can't do that. When you do a comma separated list like this, you have to put the comma before the and then it's, all your items in the list, and then comma and your last item in the list. So for that reason, the answer is A. It's correct as it is.